All right, in this video I'm going over the compare and contrast graphic organizers for volcanoes from outer space. So on the left side we're putting information about volcanoes on Earth. In the middle, how volcanoes on Earth and Mars are alike. And then on the right side, characteristics that are true of just the volcanoes on Mars. So volcanoes on Earth. Volcanoes are smaller than on Mars. And then we can give some more detail. Volcanoes are smaller because, and we talked about this in the read aloud video, they are pulled down by more gravity. Right? Earth has a higher gravitational pull than Mars. Let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see it a little better. Okay, how are they alike? How are they similar? Well, we kind of talked about it in the video, but again, the shape, they shaped the surface of the planet, excuse me. So the volcanoes on Mars and the volcanoes on Earth both help shape the planet, and most volcanoes on both Earth and Mars are shield volcanoes, we learned in the text. So that's true of both, how they're similar to each other. Whoops. Okay, volcanoes on Mars. Are they different? Are larger than the volcanoes on Earth. And volcanoes on Mars are larger. Why are they larger? Because they are not pulled down by as much gravity, right? Mars is a smaller planet, so it has less gravity. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. You should have these same details on your graphic organizer. Remember, these are how volcanoes on Earth, characteristics of volcanoes on Earth. These are characteristics that are true of both volcanoes on Earth and on Mars. And here we have characteristics that are true of only the volcanoes on Mars. All right, now you can go on to your practice book, page 255, where you will be practicing on your own with some comparing and contrasting. Okay. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.